To prove the power law, let log x base a to be m. So a raised to the power m will give you x. So in exponential form, a raised to the power m gives you x. Using the laws of indices, when you raise a to the power m to r, it is the same as a raised to the product of m and r. Expressing back to x, for the left hand side, I can raise both sides of the equation to r, so that will give me x to the power r. For the right hand side, m is just log x base a. Since multiplication is commutative, just like 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, I can have the r to be in front instead. So a to the power of this gives me x to the power r. Rewriting in a logarithmic form, a raised to this gives me x to the power r. So this is the required form. When compare the two, the left hand side we have a to the power m raised to the power r. Within the logarithmic, x is being raised to the power r. For the right hand side, a is raised to the product of m and r. For the right hand side, we have the product of r and log x base a. And this is the product that a need to raise to in order to get x to the power r.